We are taking off soon. To help make boarding a breeze, please place your large baggage in the overhead bins. For handy access to smaller items, feel free to put them under the seat ahead. If you need the overhead bin, please step forward while leaving the aisle clear. Thank you.
大家好，起飛之前，請將隨身行李放喺行李櫃內或者前方嘅座位下面。請將手提電話同平板電腦等電子用品調校至飛行模式。假如你帶咗具備信號發射功能嘅電子儀器，例如對講機，就記得要閂咗佢。好啦，依家請大家坐好，放鬆心情，享受今日嘅旅程啦。多謝。
Hello everyone. As we prepare for takeoff, please make sure all carry-on items are safely stowed away in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. And don't forget to set your mobile phone, tablet, and laptop to airplane mode. If you're carrying a radio transmitting device like walkie-talkie, make sure to power them down for the duration of our time in the sky. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
各位乘客，根據香港民航處最新嘅要求，為確保航空安全，乘客嚴禁喺航班上使用鋰電池開支充電器為其他定頻式電子裝置充電，又或者開支充電器充電。同時，開支充電器都唔可以放置於行李櫃內。如需要任何協助，請通知我哋機艙服務員到即刻裝。Yeah, passengers are going to latest requirements by the Hong Kong Civil Aviation Department. Passengers are restricted from using linear battery power banks to charge unavailable charging devices and recharge power banks during the flight. In addition, storage of power banks in the back compartments is also prohibited. If you need assistance, please inform our cabin crew. Thank you for attention.
Cabin crew boarding completed. This is 0749 to Hong Kong with all ground personnel. Please leave the aircraft and we are ready for departure. Cabin crew, please confirm no ground staff at the back. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. From the flight deck, the captain speaking. Scott Richards is my name. On behalf of First Officer Cass, Senior Person Nicole and the entire crew, I'd like to welcome you aboard our service to Hong Kong. Just apologise initially for the late departure. We were delayed out of Hong Kong due to an air traffic control requirement. However, we are now ready to go and looking at the flight time back to Hong Kong of around 3 hours and 15 minutes. We should have you touching down in Hong Kong very close to schedule at 4:30 a.m. En route weather conditions generally fine and smooth. We do recommend though that whilst you are seated to keep your seatbelts comfortably fastened in case we do encounter some unexpected turbulence. Weather in Hong Kong for our arrival should be fine and temperature of around 17 degrees Celsius. Shortly Nicole and the team will be demonstrating some safety features of this aircraft. We do ask that you pay attention to these important details. I'll get back to you a little later on in the flight to update latest arrival time and the weather in Hong Kong. But for now, please sit back and enjoy the service. Thank you.
乘客請盡快就座，以讓我哋可以關上機門啟程。Dear passengers, please take your seat as soon as possible and allow us to close the door and departure as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention. 乘客，我哋航機上要少量嘅前座座位，加長座位可供升級，有關費用同詳情可以聯絡我哋嘅機艙服務員。轉換座位嘅費用由港幣100元起，多謝各位留意。Dear passengers, there are some upfront seat, extra legroom seat available for upgrade. For price and details, please contact our cabin crew. For the seat changes from 100 Hong Kong dollars. Thank you for your attention.
The group is up the door for departure and cross-check.
Captain Scott 副機長 Cass 同所有嘅機艙服務員，歡迎大家乘搭的 True Express 航班 UO749前往香港。本航班亦係同國泰航空嘅代碼共享聯營航班。預計今日嘅飛行時間大概需要3小時15分鐘。希望你同我哋一樣享受今日嘅飛行旅程。一陣間我哋將讓航機嘅安全示範，請大家留意，多謝。Hello everyone, I'm Nicole, your Senior Person today on behalf of our Captain Scott, First Officer Cass, and our cabin crew. We would like Express flight UO749 to Hong Kong. And this is a coaching service with Cathay Pacific Airways, and our flight time today will be around 3 hours and 15 minutes. Hope you enjoy the journey just like we will. I'll be later. Please give your full attention for our safety demo. Thank you and happy flying. Cabin crew, please stand by for safety demonstration.
Dear passengers, may we have your attention to the safety demonstration? 各位乘客，敬請留意以下嘅安全示範。If you're traveling with hand luggage or large items, make sure they're stored in the overhead compartments for takeoff and landing. 如果你有隨身攜帶手提行李或大型物件，喺航機起飛同降落前，請確保放喺行李櫃裡面。Ensure electronic devices are switched off or set to airplane mode. Use of radios and transmitters is not allowed. If any electronic devices become trapped in your seat, please ask our crew to help you. 請將電子用品關掉或調校到飛行模式。機艙內任何時候都唔可以使用無線電傳送設備。如果有任何電子產品攝咗喺座位裡面，請通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you. 你可以將細件嘅物件放喺前面嘅座位下。This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere in the aircraft is against the law. 呢班係禁煙航班，喺機艙任何地方吸煙或使用電子煙都係屬於違法。Your seatbelt fastens and unfastens like this. To adjust it, pull the strap until tight. We also have seatbelts available for children under 2, and seatbelts should be worn whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on. We recommend keeping it fastened even if the sign is off in case of unexpected turbulence. 請依指示扣好或者解開安全帶，需要調校嘅時候可以將安全帶拉緊。我哋亦有提供2歲以下嘅兒童專用安全帶。當扣上安全帶嘅燈號亮起，請必須扣好安全帶。即使燈號熄滅，我哋亦建議你繼續扣好，以防遇上突發氣流。Oxygen masks will drop automatically if they're needed. Pull the mask down firmly. Remove your face coverings if worn. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust it to fit and breathe normally. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. And ensure that your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others. 氧氣面罩會喺有需要嘅時候自動跌下，請用力拉下面罩，蓋於你嘅口鼻上面。如你有佩戴口罩，請先除低口罩，然後將氧氣面罩調校到合適嘅位置作正常呼吸。氧氣袋無需充氣，亦能提供氧氣。請先戴好你嘅氧氣面罩，再去照顧其他人。Your life jacket is located underneath your seat. To use the life jacket, place it over your head, loop the strap around your waist, and fasten the buckle. Then pull the strap firmly to tighten it. 你嘅救生衣放置喺你嘅座椅下。穿着救生衣嘅時候，先將救生衣套喺頸部，將腰帶圍住腰並扣好，然後索緊腰帶。Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, simply pull the red toggle down firmly or blow into the tube. It also has a whistle and a light. 當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。需要充氣嘅時候，只需用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣管吹氣。救生衣上面附有哨子同燈。If needed, our crew will provide life jackets for children and inflatable cots for babies in emergency. 如果有需要，機艙服務員會喺緊急情況下提供兒童救生衣或嬰兒浮床。If there's an emergency, or you hear the phrase brace, brace, adopt the position shown in your safety card. 緊急情況下，或者聽見 brace, brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。The escape path lighting illuminates automatically during an emergency. Please follow the crew's instructions and go to the nearest exit. Remove high-heel shoes. Leave all your personal belongings in the aircraft. 緊急情況下，逃生路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示，脱下高跟鞋，並將所有個人物品留喺飛機上，然後到最近嘅逃生出口。 Our crew are pointing out the exits now. When going down the slide, sit up straight, keep your arms in front of you, and look towards the landing point. Once you have exited the aircraft, move away immediately. 機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。使用逃生滑梯時，請坐直，將雙手向前伸直，並望向落地嘅位置。離開機艙後，請迅速遠離飛機。Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. 請查閱你嘅安全指示卡，了解緊急事故嘅逃生程序。Now that we're almost ready for takeoff, make sure that your hand baggage and tray table are put away and your seatbelt fastened. 我哋即將起飛，請確保你嘅手提行李同摺枱已經收好，請扣好安全帶。Finally, and just as importantly, enjoy the journey. 最後，祝各位旅途愉快。
Cabin crew please go for takeoff check. Dear passengers, according to the latest requirements by the Hong Kong Safe Aviation Department, passengers are restricted from using the lithium battery power bands to charge other portable electronic devices and recharge the power bands during the flight. In addition, storage of power bands in the overhead compartments is also prohibited. If you need any assistance, please inform our cabin crew. Thank you for your attention. 各位乘客，根據香港民航處嘅最新要求，為確保航空安全，乘客嚴禁喺航班上使用鋰電池外置充電器為其他便攜式電子裝置充電，或為外置充電器充電。同時，外置充電器亦都唔可以放置於行李櫃內。如需任何協助，請通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。多謝各位合作。
We'll please be seated for takeoff.
HQ Express 航班上係唔可以進食攞來嘅食物同飲品。我哋為大家準備咗各種美食同飲品，詳情可以睇睇我哋嘅餐飲目錄。如果你已經喺網上預訂咗我哋嘅產品，麻煩你準備好登機證，我哋好快會為你提供服務。最後，請留意以下兩項重要資訊，希望你今日嘅飛行旅程舒適愉快。請小心保管貴重物品同財物。如發現可疑嘅情況，請立即通知我哋。另外，再次提大家，本航班係禁煙航班，喺機艙任何地方都唔可以吸煙，包括使用電子煙。有任何疑問嘅話，請隨時揾我哋嘅機艙服務員幫手。多謝。
Your captain has just switched off the seatbelt sign, so feel free to visit the lavatory whenever needed. However, when seated, please remember to keep your seatbelt fastened for your own safety. Just a friendly reminder, please don't consume any outside food or drinks while flying with us. Instead, we've got a tasty selection of meals and refreshments for you to enjoy. Please refer to our in-flight magazine. If you have pre-ordered any items online, please have your boarding pass ready and we'll serve you soon. As we embark our journey, to ensure everyone a safe and pleasant travel experience, please remain vigilant throughout the flight. Always keep your belongings and valuables secured at all times and report any suspicious behavior to us immediately. Also, please be aware that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere in the aircraft is prohibited. And if you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask one of the cabin crew. We're here to help. Thank you.
各位乘客 ，HQ Express 準備嚟到加餐品俾大家選購，除咗中式天門就到 HQ Express 問新聞。為你解釋優惠限定優惠，我哋特別推出咗 CR7 香港博物館系列優惠，選購2件 CR7 系列商品即可享有8折，3件即可享有7折。如果你係足球迷同埋斯諾蘭道嘅 fans，就一定冇錯過呢個優惠啦。另外，我哋仲有 HQ Express 中球迷嘅聯名商品，無論送禮定係自用都係非常合適。我哋機艙服務員即將機場出售各項 HQ Express 獨家商品，詳細內容同埋優惠可以參考機上雜誌。我哋歡迎隨時來到了解更多或者購買。多謝。Ladies and gentlemen, HQ Express your merchandise. Along with have a smaller collection, we also offer a wide range of your Vietnam style products. We have special promotion for this season. Time limited offers on our CR7 9 museum collection. Purchase 2 CR7 items get 20% off, and purchase 3 CR7 items get 30% off. I must have for people lovers and fans of cylinder banana. And for something truly unique, don't miss our chocolate rich Christmas crossover items, perfect as gift of traditional keepsakes. Our cabin crew will soon be commencing the sales academy. For details information on promotion offers, please refer to the events for this year. Let our cabin crew know directly if you can know more on the features. Thank you.
Have your seatbelt securely fastened and restrain from using the lavatory. Thank you for your cooperation. Passenger, please remain seated. Have your seatbelt securely fastened. Thank you for your cooperation. 各位乘客請保留喺座位上，將安全帶緊扣。多謝各位合作。Passenger, please seated and have your seatbelt securely fastened. 各位乘客請將安全帶緊扣。各位乘客，我哋尚餘大概1個小時嘅航程將會抵達香港。如果仲想選購餐點，請盡快與我哋機艙服務員聯絡，以讓你有足夠時間享用美食。請各位留意。Dear passengers, we will arrive Hong Kong in around 60 minutes. If you wish to order some more food and drinks, please let us know as soon as possible, and allow you to have time to enjoy. Thank you for attention.
Good morning, everybody, from the flight deck. The captain once again will shortly be commencing our descent to Hong Kong. We've managed to make up a few minutes and they should be touching down very close to schedule, just after 4:35 a.m. Weather in Hong Kong, very pleasant morning. Light winds, few scattered clouds, temperature 19 degrees Celsius. On behalf of everybody at Hong Kong Express, I trust you have enjoyed the flight with us today, and we do thank you for choosing to fly with us. Thank you and good morning.
乘客，剛才地機將為你作嘅廣播航機好快開始下降前往香港國際機場。如果航空交通容許嘅話，我哋將可以係喺早上嘅4時35分到達。香港與日本有香港與檳城冇時間嘅差別。據報地面氣温為攝氏表19度。機長感謝各位選乘 H Express 嘅航班，並希望你對佢嘅將來可以再為解服務。多謝各位留意。
Cabin crew, please prepare the cabin for landing.
Cabin crew is currently landing check.
各位乘客，航機即將降落目的地，請返回座位，收起餐桌，放低扶手，並扣好安全帶。同時，請你熄咗大型電子用品，例如手提電腦，並妥善放喺前面座椅下或行李架內。多謝。
Hello everyone. We are now descending into our destination. Please return to your seat and ensure that your tray table is stowed and seatbelt is securely fastened. Large electronic devices such as laptops must be switched off and placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Thank you.
各位乘客，自2025年9月19日起，英國稅品條例下有代價地就未向海關人員作出申報嘅罪行不予檢控嘅，罰則提高至5000元。乘客如攜帶超越豁免數量嘅英國稅品入境，應使用紅色通道通關。根據香港法例，乘客要攜帶總值高於12萬港元嘅現金類物品進入香港，需使用紅色通道向海關人員申報。乘客可以先透過海關網站填寫現金類物品資料，或者填寫紙本申報表。如有任何疑問，請於紅色通道向海關人員查詢。香港法例嚴禁進口另類吸煙產品，包括電子煙、加熱煙同草本煙。違例最高刑罰係監禁7年及罰款港幣200萬元。2026年4月30日開始，香港法例進一步禁止喺公眾地方管有另類煙，違者可以被定額罰款3000元。 另外，如果你最近去過受後道影響嘅地方，但公路出現發燒、皮疹同淋巴結腫大，應盡快求醫。關於後道最新資訊，請留意衛生防護中心網頁。多謝各位合作。Hello everyone. Effective from 19 September 2025, the penalty for offence of failing to declare to custom officer compatible under the Duty of Working Commodities Ordinance increased to 5,000. Passengers bringing in duty-paid goods in excess of the exempt quantity should enter the red channel and make a declaration to the custom officers. As required by the law of Hong Kong authorities, any traveller arriving in Hong Kong in possession of currency and negotiable instruments with a total value of more than 120,000 Hong Kong dollars must make a declaration to the custom officer using the red channel. Passenger may be filled the information online through the custom website or fill out the paper declaration form. If you have any questions, please approach your custom officer at the red channel for assistance. The law of Hong Kong strictly prohibits the import of alternative smoking products, including electronic smoking products, heated tobacco products, and herbal cigarettes. The maximum penalties is 7 years imprisonment and a fine of 2 million Hong Kong dollars. Starting 30 April 2026, the law further prohibits the possession of alternative smoking products in public. Offenders are liable to a fixed penalty of 3,000 Hong Kong dollars. Also, if you're returning from the place affected by the monkeypox and having symptoms like fever, rashes, swollen lymph you should seek the medical attention as soon as possible. For more updates on the monkeypox, please visit the Center for Health Protection's website. Thank you for your attention.
大家好，我哋已經到達目的地，請繼續留喺座位，直到客機完全停定，安全帶燈號熄滅為止。一陣記得小心打開行李櫃，以免有物件跌落嚟。離開機艙嘅時候，記住攞齊所有隨身物品，同埋請小心留意機艙門同樓梯之間嘅空隙。感謝你乘搭 HK Express， 希望我哋好快可以喺下個旅程同你再見面。
Hello everyone. We have arrived our destination. Please remain in your seat until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as baggage could fall out. When leaving the aircraft, please double check you have all your belongings and pay attention to the gap between the aircraft door and the steps. Thank you so much for flying with HK Express. We can't wait to see you again soon.
Could you please disable the door for arrival at cost check?
Passengers, please take caution when you leave the aircraft. Mind the gap between the aircraft door and the